In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the assignee for a signature field in Pandadoc. If you haven't sent the document just yet, making these adjustments is straightforward, so let's dive right in and make sure you're comfortable with the process. First, begin by opening your document or template in the Pandadoc editor. This is your workspace where you can manage all elements of your document. If you're using a template, you'll find it in your dashboard where all your documents are conveniently listed. Simply click on the one you're working with, and it will open up in the editor, ready for any modifications you wish to make. Now, locate the signature field that you need to update. You'll find it indicated by a familiar icon, and it usually sits where you expect someone to sign the document. Clicking on this field will focus your view on it, allowing you to see any existing settings. Once you have clicked on the signature field, take a look at the top of this field. You'll notice the name of the current assignee. This is the person who is currently set to sign the document in this particular spot. If you need to change who will be signing, go ahead and click on their name. This action will open up a list of potential signers who are currently associated with your document. Next, from this list, you can select a different recipient. Maybe you have someone else in mind who should be handling this aspect of the document. Simply click on the new recipient's name from the available options. If the person you want isn't listed, no worries, just click on the option to add a new recipient. This allows you to enter a new email address, bringing additional flexibility if you need to introduce someone new to the process. After you've made your selection or added a new contact, there's a convenient element to this process. Your changes are automatically saved. You don't need to hunt for a save button or worry about losing your work. Pandadoc takes care of it for you. This feature helps streamline your workflow, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. Once you're satisfied with the updates, it's time to send the document. With everything set, all you need to do is hit the send button, and your updated document will be on its way, ready to be finalized by your chosen recipient. That's it. You've successfully updated the assignee of a signature field in Pandadoc. By following these steps, you've maintained control over the signing process and ensured that your document gets signed by the right person. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.